We're gonna be fixing J-Clog's 50 that's been sitting in the shed for 10 plus years. Has no suspension. My J's are low-key getting messed up. Wait. Hold on, chat. We're gonna see you guys when we're at the crib. I gotta push J-Clog back. Alright, so here's the CRF 50. What did you say it needs? It needed the float and the carb to be fixed and the rear shock. Why does it look like that? It looks like it's bent.
I don't know. I put it through too much.
You put it through too much jumping?
I'm gonna put it in the new shock.
A brand new shock. It hasn't ran in what, like 2 years, 3 years? So gas is on. And choke. This way's choke.
Doesn't want to start?
I don't know. Nothing? Time to get to work. Should we check the spark first?
That's the first thing I did. I think it's brand new.
There's no way it's not bad. There's no way. I feel like I'm sunk right here. Dude, the throttle doesn't even twist either.
That's how it's always been.
What? Let's get to work. I say we check spark first. It's gonna be like a...
Send me videos of me jumping the 50 at. Chill out, bruh. Chill.
Very good.
It's nice and clean.
Right? That's not...
Yeah.
Wait, is it supposed to be that color or no?
What do you...
How regular gas looks. I don't know how gas looks. Does that look like good gas, chat? Alright, chat. So we got the carb out here. We're gonna turn to the float and see what's going on. And we're gonna put the new float that Jaden's dad got. It's like the worst angle for chat. I'm sorry. Whoa, we got a little bit of gunk in here. It's like slimy. Oh, look at that. No wonder our like main jet's completely clogged. It's like black. Completely clogged. So we need to unclog this jet. There was absolutely no gas getting into the bike. We now can see through the jet. We now can see through the jet. It is clean. And it's time... No, don't start it right now, bro. Okay, time to reassemble. Where's that part, J-Clog? Oh, wait. I need to put the jet on first. Okay, and then next up is the float.
Do you want a nice face review?
J-Clog, stop recording yourself, bruh.
I'm gonna do
We're trying to build a freaking dirt bike. Okay, low-key, I'm trying to fix this throttle too while we're at it. A little bit of WD-40 always solves it. I'm going to say, chat, this goes like this, and with this side of the spacer, we put the non-O-ring side towards the carburetor, and the O-ring side towards the engine.
Just to let you know, guys, D-Ron X goes to sleep at 8:11, and it's currently 11:05. D-Ron X goes to sleep early.
And now, we mount the carburetor, and we need the spacer first, which will go like this. Okay, so if we turn on the gas, it shouldn't leak anymore. Okay, it is not leaking. Gas is hooked up. Carb is hooked up. Throttle feels amazing. I think it's gonna start first kick. Here, bring it out here. Alright, so make sure the key's on. Choke is on. Wait for it. Alright, choke is on. Oh, it's gonna go. Wait. Camera needs to focus. Come on. I thought I heard something right now. Okay, no choke. Okay, let's go half choke.
Hold on, my foot's messed up.
It is? Oh! Why is the idle so high?
Yellow screwdriver?
Let me see. weird. It's delayed. Let's just let it warm up a little bit. I think the throttle's like stuck open in there. It's kind of stuck open. So attempt number 2, we fixed the throttle and it should idle a little bit better now. I'm gonna adjust it. Oh shit. Okay. Let me see the throttle a little bit. Sounds a little weird, but maybe it'll clear up as you ride it. Not too shabby.
Should we take it?
Alright, it's the next day. Time to throw on this shock for J-Clog's bike, and let's take the old one out. This is the old and new. The new one's a lot longer, so we'll see what happens to the geometry of this bike. Also a lot thicker and bigger, so... So long story short, the shock's too big to fit through the frame, so we're gonna have to settle for the stock one that's on there. So now I'm gonna get onto the back brakes because they're not working at all. I think I have to adjust this little piece here because I went max on this adjustment, so we're gonna try to do that. If not, we're gonna go into the drum. Oh yeah. Let's go test this back brake out.